Alright, so we just created a donation record, but when we created the record, the payment method that we wanted to select wasn't available in our list of payment methods. So we're gonna add it. So we'll go up to Setup, and then we could type it in our quick find box, but let's actually scroll down. We'll go to Customize, and then we'll go to Opportunities, and then we'll go to Fields. And now the payment method Picklist field that we want is a custom field. So you'll see here we're going under Custom Fields. And now let's look for payment method. There it is. Alright, we'll click on it. Alright, so now if we scroll down, we can see all of the values available for this pick list. So we want to add a new one. We want to add the EFCA Foundation, just a foundation that processes payments. Now the important part that a lot of people forget is to, when we scroll down before saving the record, we need to add this value to the record types that we want to see this value in. So maybe we just want to see this value in the pick list for donations or for major gifts or for all of them. But this is an important step that a lot of folks forget when they don't see the payment that or the value that they're looking for in their pick list. So let's not select any, and let's see what happens. Alright, so it shows up in our values. It's now one of the values that are available. Let's go back to that donation. Let's go to the McDuck household donation. Alright, so we'll go to the payment method and we'll try and select that value. And we notice it's not there, it's not showing up. So don't feel bad, this is a common occurrence for folks when they are first adding these values. Let's go back to Setup and let's see if we can't add that value to the record types that we want to see. Let's see if we can still add it to the donation record type and the let's say major gifts. So we're finding the payment method Picklist field. And we're going to go down to that new value that we created, and let's see if we can add it to the record types. And no, we can't. We can only add it to all of those record types at once, in one go, when we first create the value. But we can still add it to the record types that we want. We just have to do it one at a time. So, not a big deal. Let's go over to Customize Opportunities again. Now let's find the record types. Looks like they're right here. So let's click on Record Types. Alright, now we see all of our record types. Let's go with Donations. Just our basic donation record type. And now we see all of the pick lists that are available to add different values for. So let's go to Payment Method, and now we see the EFCA Foundation is available. So let's go ahead and add that. So now we've added that to our selected values, and let's save the record, or save that value. Let's add our new value to another record type. Let's add it to the major gifts or major donors. Major gifts record type. Go back to Payment Method. We see it's available again. We'll add it, save it. All right. Now let's go back to the donations. Let's go back to that Scrooge McDuck donation, and let's see if it's available in our payment method pick list now. And there it is. I know that a lot of people struggle with this one. If you check out the Trailblazer success community, a lot of folks have just forgotten to add it to the record type that they want to see this value in. So it's important just to remember that even if you forget at first, when you first create the value, it's okay. You can go back and add it to the values later. I hope this helped.